Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Luke 90 Bear, aka Luke Book Bear, and tonight we're taking a look again at the Cash Tokens Web Wallet. It's over at CashTokens-Wallet.app. Now I've taken another look at this, and I can see that you can import the seed words from your Bitcoin.com wallet. I did a video on this the other day, but I may have just overlooked this, or I don't think I clicked on the drop downs what it was, but I wasn't aware you could import the. Well, I wasn't aware that there was an option on the screen for this. Um, well, just real quickly, we talked about this in the other video, the derivation path. The standard nowadays for Bitcoin Cash, you're gonna see after the 44, you're gonna see 145. But the Bitcoin.com wallet has been around, the mobile wallet, since 2017. And at that point, I'm not sure. Well, I don't want to get too far off into that, but this is the derivation path they use is 44 right here. So what I want to do tonight is I want to import my seed phrase from my Bitcoin.com wallet into this web wallet here. So I got it. Well, this is something you should never do. I've got it saved in a text document, and it's saved on a computer that I have online throughout the day. So never do this, and then also never share this with anyone, including anyone who might work for the wallet software company that you're using. But this is just a video, and then I only got a little bit of Bitcoin Cash on there, so if someone takes that, it's fine with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. Also, be careful about copying and pasting public address, your Bitcoin Cash address when you're sending, because once in a while you may have some clipboard malware on your machine, and it'll swap out the address that you want to send to for another address, and then you might not know it for a while, and the whole time you've been sending to someone else who's stealing your coins. Now, so just be careful when you copy and paste. So let me put these in here now, and make sure everything is lowercase, and you got a space between each, just a single space between each word, and then no space at the end. Okay, so let me make sure we get out on the Bitcoin.com, the 44 for the derivation path, and on import. And let's see. Okay, that seems about right. I only was I think I sent 15 cents. So yeah, this is right. Everything's showing up. Then we shouldn't have any tokens yet. Now just a little bit about the Bitcoin.com wallet. Now my mobile phone is an Android phone. Now you don't have to use the Play Store. If you're using Android, over here on wallet.bitcoin.com, this is just the subdomain for the wallet subdomain. Over here you can barely see where it says other versions. If you click on other versions, it's going to take you to Bitcoin.com's GitHub account. This is their second big. They had a different account. It's still on GitHub, but they don't use it anymore. But this is the most recent release. It's 2 weeks ago. Looks like this guy here, better not say his name, but 2 weeks ago. And if you look on this release, there's an APK. It's an Android package, and I don't remember what the K stands for, unless it's just PK for package, but I don't think so. But there's also the source code, but these have been blank since 2020, since they closed source the wallet. So if you click on this on your mobile phone, and then you can install it, and you will have and also it's going to be a slightly different version from what's on the Play Store, because anytime you put an app on Play Store or App Store, you gotta make some compromises, and it has to meet the requirements of those stores, and sometimes they won't allow certain things. So, but anyhow, let's take a look here. Back at Cash Tokens Wallet, web wallet, and Let's see, what was else? Okay, now let's go to create a token, and we're gonna create a. We can do any of these, but we're gonna just at least start with the fungible token. Let me copy this planned ID token ID, and I'm just gonna save it here in case we need this later. Save it. Okay, now you have to. It says optional, but you must at least. When you're using this web wallet here, you have to use this. There's the HTTPS, and also there's the interplanetary file system. And I already created this over it. Hopefully this will work. Let's try. And then paste this in here. Now we gotta get rid. Now that doesn't look right. Okay, we gotta take off everything after raw. Get rid of that, and then we have to get rid of the HTTPS and the ://. Copy this over to here. And it should. Okay, I think we'll see. Create. What did I do? Oh well, let me get rid of this again. Somehow I got put back on there. Okay, let's try it. Input. Where is that? Oh, we might have to edit this. Put it. That is. Oh, we're gonna have to. Let me see if I can edit this real quick. Let me see. I thought that was already on there. Let's see. Let me see if I can edit this. We have to put the input. What is it? Let's take a look. I thought this did it by itself. Let me take a look again. Okay, fungible token, HTTPS. Create. Nope, it says total supply. What the heck? Let's go back on here and see if I can edit this. I thought this was. Let's take a look at it. Edit. Alright, this microphone I'm using, I should have used the other microphone. Let me see if I can. Okay, let's go ahead and put. I didn't think we had to do this now. Okay, add total supply. Total supply. And let's put 3,000. Okay, now let me make sure. Okay, update it. Total supply 3,000. Looks okay. Update. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see. So I'm like, Let me take a look at this, make sure this is right. Why is it doing that? Those Well, you know what? Let's try something. Let's try to create a NFT and see if that works. Okay, this worked. This worked. Let's take a look over here. Mint. Okay, it seems to have worked. Let's see. Let's take a look. Oh, but you know, I think it's not right. It worked, but I think it's missing something. Let me see. Let's go over to. This is the Bitcoin Unlimited Explorer, Block Explorer. Let's see what it's on here. Let's see. Nothing on. Okay, here it is. Let's see. You know what? Let's try to create a token again. I want to, let's see, fungible token. Okay, you know what? I think before, well, no. Well, let me just say this is my first time creating a cash token. Really, I used to be really interested in all the token protocols on Bitcoin Cash and on Bitcoin BTC. And then, I mean, there's been several of them. Then I just got kind of burnt out on it. And even though I've been keeping an eye on Telegram groups for pretty much everything Bitcoin Cash related, and I've been hearing about cash tokens for a few years. Let's see how many. When did they do that guy BitJson? No. Well, I don't know. It's been a while, and so I just didn't really pay too much attention to it. So I don't know why this thing just popped up. This text area here for the fungible token. Let's just put 3,000. Maybe that's either I did something wrong or there's some kind of bug on the site where you can't. This thing doesn't open up all the time. Let me put the link back in here. Let me see. Plus, I don't even think I had to put this total supply right here. But, I mean, you can put whatever you want in there, really. Let's see. Let me take a look again. Okay. Okay, we got everything off. Get rid of this. And let's see if it works. We'll put, this to make sure, let me put some kind of number that this really is going to be 3331. Okay. Now, we know no one else is going to put, well, most likely no one's going to put 3331, so. Let me try it out. Let's see. Okay, it says created these fungible tokens. And let's see what it really says though. Let's see. Something it doesn't have the name on here. I did something wrong. I mean, it still worked. Let's take a look on the Bitcoin Unlimited Explorer. Let's see. Plus, if I look at the info. Yeah, it says 3,331 tokens. Let me go back over here to Bitcoin Unlimited, to their Explorer. Let me see. Search for this. Just the same one. I don't think, no, this ain't even, I think I didn't copy it. Let's go. Okay. Click on this. Is that really even copying it? Let me see this. Press A. Yeah, it does. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what scripts. Okay. Paste on. Let me see. Oh, you know what? I need to click on this first. I need to click on this address right here. Okay. Okay, now here's the app return. And you can see, okay, everything's, okay, yep. You can see both, this is the NFT right here. It says empty. You can also see the GitHub, this is, which one? Okay, here's the 3,331 tokens. Here is the NFT. I haven't mint anything yet though. Let's see. This is okay. And this is the app return. You can see the thing for the just the GitHub. Just copy this. It's the exact same thing I put in there when I created the token, but just to make sure. Let's go. Yeah, it's the same. Well, this is my first attempt at creating a cash token and the fungible token and a minting non-fungible token. So the names are not showing up. The amount is showed up. Let's see, mint. Well, that for this video we're gonna cut it off right here. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna cut it off yet because I wanted to see in my Bitcoin.com wallet what does it show now. Now I can't show you well, I could, but I don't have it set up right now to do this. But I'm gonna just look. I can't show you, but I'll just tell you what it says. I want to see what it says in the Bitcoin.com wallet because remember this is the same wallet now that I have in Bitcoin.com, or at least one of my wallets. I want to see what it says for these transactions that we just did in the web wallet. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. Cent. Okay. I thought it would say something different, like moved. Let's see. Okay, so, well, yeah, it says cent. They're real small transactions for now for these, for the fungible token and the NFT. It's point, what is it? That's millions. I think this is 13 millionths of a dollar, or is that 13 millionths of a 1 cent? So real cheap. The other one is about, let me see. They're about the same. Yeah, they're like 13 millionths of a penny, or of a dollar maybe. I'm getting mixed up now. So extremely cheap. Well, I think we covered everything here for the point of the video. But well, I see you on the video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.